Learn English to Hindi connectors. Initially, afterwards, moreover, finally in
Hindi.
Welcome to the word parade. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Hindi connectors that make your speech sound smooth, smart, and slightly dramatic. Think of them as the glue in a sandwich, but for sentences. Today's stars are initially, afterwards, moreover, furthermore, finally, in summary, and bottom line. In Hindi, you'll meet
शुरुआत में, शुरू में, बाद में, इसके अलावा, अंत में, संक्षेप में,
and
आखिरकार.
by the end, you'll sound more organized than a librarian with color-coded tea bags. At the beginning. Let's start at the start, because starting in the middle would be bold, but rude. You've got two useful ways to say initially. Initially can be
शुरुआत में,
example.
शुरुआत में,
Everything seemed quiet. You can also say
शुरू में,
example.
शुरू में,
I was nervous. Tiny difference? In everyday learning, both help you express the idea of at first or initially. Very handy when telling stories, confessing mistakes, or describing your first attempt at cooking rice. Funny memory trick. A snail says,
शुरुआत में,
I was fast, compared to a rock. Then comes later. Now let's move forward in time, because no story survives on beginning alone. Even a lazy cat eventually does something, afterwards. Afterwards in Hindi is
बाद में,
example. We ate dinner.
बाद में,
Example. Finish your homework and
बाद में,
go outside. Mini dialogue. Can we watch the movie now? No.
बाद में,
Single quote. Every parent on earth just nodded. Memory idea. Do one thing, pause, then do the next thing. That pause plus next feeling is
बाद में,
adding extra spice. Time to make your speech fancier. If you want to add another point, Hindi has a very useful phrase for that. Moreover is
इसके अलावा,
furthermore is also.
इसके अलावा,
Example. The plan is cheap.
इसके अलावा,
It is effective. Example. She is smart.
इसके अलावा,
She is kind. This phrase is great when you want to sound clear, structured, and just a little like a serious news presenter. Funny image. A student writes one answer, then keeps adding more and more with
इसके अलावा,
until the paper becomes a heroic scroll. A silly story with all the words. You learn faster when words live inside a story. So here comes one very educational and slightly suspicious story about a man, a goat, and a public speech. Initially, or
शुरुआत में,
the village meeting was calm.
शुरू में,
Everyone sat quietly, pretending to understand the budget. Afterwards, or
बाद में,
one goat walked into the meeting and ate half the paper. The mayor tried to continue. The plan is affordable.
इसके अलावा,
It is practical.
इसके अलावा,
The goat is not part of the committee. Finally,
अंत में,
everyone agreed on one thing: never leave important documents near hungry animals. In summary,
संक्षेप में,
the meeting was chaotic but useful. Bottom line,
आखिरकार,
the goat changed local politics forever. How to wrap things up. Every good talk needs an ending. Otherwise you're just a human podcast with no off button. Finally in Hindi is
अंत में,
example.
अंत में,
The rain stopped. In summary is
संक्षेप में,
example.
संक्षेप में,
The project was a success. Bottom line can be expressed here as
आखिरकार,
example.
आखिरकार,
We need more time. Use
अंत में,
for the final stage,
संक्षेप में,
for a summary, and
आखिरकार.
for the real final point or takeaway. Quick practice drill. Your turn. I say the English idea and you try the Hindi before I reveal it. No pressure. Even the goat is rooting for you. Initially.
शुरुआत में,
Or
शुरू में,
afterwards.
बाद में,
Moreover.
इसके अलावा,
Furthermore.
इसके अलावा,
Finally.
अंत में,
In summary.
संक्षेप में,
Bottom line.
आखिरकार.
Mini conversation challenge. Let's hear the words in a natural conversation. Imagine two friends planning an event and pretending they are much more organized than they really are. Friend 1.
शुरू में.
I thought planning this party would be easy. Friend 2.
बाद में.
You discovered we needed chairs, snacks, music, and a miracle. Friend 1. Yes, and.
इसके अलावा.
Your uncle brought a karaoke machine. Friend 2.
इसके अलावा.
The neighbors now know my secret love for dramatic songs. Friend 1.
अंत में.
The party was fun. Friend 2.
संक्षेप में.
It was chaos with snacks. Friend 1.
आखिरकार.
That is the best kind of party. Friendly conclusion. You did it. Your brain has officially collected a neat set of Hindi connectors, and hopefully at least one goat-related memory. Thank you for learning with me today. Practice these words out loud.
शुरुआत में. शुरू में. बाद में. इसके अलावा. अंत में. संक्षेप में.
And.
आखिरकार.
Keep practicing, use them in your own sentences, and come back to repeat the chapter again. You're doing great.